know you can actually monetize your channel with ChatGPT. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually monetize your channel with ChatGPT. So follow me. Let me show you my screen record so that you see how to properly set it up on your channel. Let's go. As you can see, you will see that this is a brand new channel. This is a brand new channel. I've not done anything on this channel. So the first thing we'll do, we go to customization. This pencil icon here. When you go to this customization, try and pay close attention to this so that you will not make any mistake, not miss any step. So what you do is that you go through this, you will see description. You see what we are going to do. We're going to go back to ChatGPT and request for perfect SEO. I mentioned SEO for this very place. Well-optimized SEO for our customization description. So what we'll do is that we'll go to ChatGPT. Okay, please kindly write a as you can see, this is a well-optimized customization for channel. Do just copy this and go straight to that place here. This is it here. We'll paste it. Yes, it has automatically pasted. As it is now, is perfect like this. It's a family comedy channel. So anytime I upload video, the YouTube algorithm also already know. So what will happen once you finish, you come to this place and publish. If you did not publish it and skip the place, you have not done anything. It will not save. So next thing is to come to this setting here, this dampers. Then we'll now go to tag session. This is channel. If you look at this place here, it says keywords. We are looking at about 500 keywords. So what we'll do is that we'll go back to ChatGPT again and request for channel keyword. I want well-optimized. I want it in copy and paste form. Okay, as you can see, just come here and copy it. Then we head back to our channel tags, keyword, paste. I've already pasted it. As you can see, these are the keywords for this channel. Everything I need to tell the YouTube algorithm about this channel is already set here. This is keyword for this channel. Everything the ChatGPT has given me, everything here. So the next thing I will do, because it has not finished, the next thing I will do is move over to, I will save. Please don't forget to save, very important. So go back to that place again. The channel, we have gotten our channel tags, is already there. So I will go back to that place again. We'll select country of residence. As you can see, it's still blank. I'm a Nigerian, so what I will do is that I will come to this place. So I'll pick Nigeria. This is Nigeria because I'm a Nigerian. So this is it. The next thing I will do is going to my default setting. So as you can see, this place, it says visibility. I will make video concerning visibility. This visibility, public, private and unlisted, we have schedule. So I'm going to make video on that. So we'll come to this visibility. Let me still put it public. Put public. So it's added, public is added. So I will now come to this place. We have default tags. Let's go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give us tags for our default setting. I want default setting. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Okay, let me ask that I need it in copy. Okay, it's already giving me copy and paste. So come here, I'll copy it like this. I'll go straight back to that place again. Let's zoom it a little bit so that you guys can see very well. So press it here. As you can see, my default tags is 100% set. Save it. Once we save it, we still go back there because we still have work to do there. Still have work on that default setting. You know, we have gotten our tags, and this default setting also have description. If you look at this, it has description. So we're still going to go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give us description for our default setting. So you go back and say, I want description from my default setting. For my default settings. So, and we'll go again. Let's see what is going to give us. So you can see it has given us default SEO settings. So what we'll do is that we copy it this way and go back, paste it. As you can see, it has automatically pasted. If you come here, you save. If you did not save it, if you log out and come back, those words will not be there. You will not see those words there again. The next thing to do is to go over to other things that we need to talk about, which is advanced setting. Come to this up, you see advanced setting. I use English because English is a general language. So English, I select English, say title and description language. My title and description language, I'll go back and pick English. Okay, English. My comment is on. Show how many viewers like your video is on. And so look at that channel eligibility. If you can see this place, everything here is green. Make sure your own is green. If you have fully optimized your channel, as you can see how ChatGPT give us this in ASAP, it did not even take any time before giving us. But that is where the work actually starts. All you need to do, you need to lock up yourself with your channel. Give your channel 60 days, which is 2 good months, and monitor your channel. Post consistently. If you can post every day, perfect, but if you can post 3 times in a week, is good. But if you post anything less than 2 times in a week, you are not just serious. You have to do that, post consistently in a strategic way. In this channel that I do this teaching with, I have not been posting consistently. I have not really paid attention. I've been paying my attention on my other monetized channel, but I've decided to work this with you. We are going to go this step by step and work on this channel for 2 good months. And I want you to go and install ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like you having a YouTube assistant inside your pocket. It helps you for unlimited video ideas in description, tags, hashtags, in everything you want, even help you to schedule and plan your videos. ChatGPT will help you and make your work stressless. So if you find value on this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and give it a thumbs up. And at the description of this video, I have a PDF guide for beginners, step by step on how to use ChatGPT to achieve a stressless and successful YouTube journey. See you in my next video. Bye bye.